everybody, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I had a few people write down in the my comment section what to do with this octopus. Now this octopus is a very big pendant focal piece, so I didn't want to do a lot to it. So I ended up just doing chain and two little dangles, and I made a little layering necklace. I thought this was so cute. This is part of the choker, and then this is just a little more drama hanging down at the bottom. So I did change out the chain because the chain they sent us was a little too thin, and I think I felt like I needed a little bit more, so I just had some regular rope chain. So I have all the measurements in the video and everything, and then I just did these two little dangles here that I thought turned out really cute, and I did an uneven chain. And if you're not familiar with Bargain Bead Box, I will leave the link below. I have a coupon code BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. The monthly boxes are $22.99 a month, and they're valued over between $60 to $80. Now this Sunken Treasure collection was valued at $80.30, and there was 20 items in it. It is a great bargain. So yeah, if you want to learn how to make this necklace, then stay tuned. Okay, so I'm starting with the one chain, and this is 17 inches long. And that's going to be the first chain that goes around the neck. Then I have the longer chain that's going to have the dangles on it. And this, now this is going to be cut though. This is 12, 24, 17, 31 inches long. Okay, so I'm going to start by the easy part and just taking this octopus that everybody was asking, what should we do with this octopus? Now, I didn't use the chain they gave us because it was a little small, so I used like a little thicker of a rope chain because I just felt like it would, you know, lay better. The other one would be a little too thin to use. I'd have to double it up and I wouldn't have enough. So for this, I'm just taking, let me get my tools here. I'm just taking a jump ring, and I'm attaching it to this side. I don't know what that noise is out there outside. Okay, and I'm attaching that. And then for this one, I'm taking another jump ring, and I'm using the antique brass, and I'm attaching it to this side, and then the lobster clasp. I'm using all antique brass so that, and this is what I'm using. I do get this from BB Craft, and it's got all the different sizes of jump rings in there. I'll leave the link in the description. I love that little container. Okay, so now I'm just going to start by I'm just going to attach these two like this, and I'm going to go all the way. I'm going to hold it up kind of how it would be if it was dangling, and it comes right down. Hold on, let me get all these, and it comes right down to this one right here. That's the middle right here. Right here. So I'm going to lay that like that. Oh, I need another one of these, and I'm going to use maybe that size right there. And I'm just going to open this up, scoot that on there, And then I'm going to put the lobster or the octopus on there. This octopus is so big that it's enough of a focal piece that you really don't need a lot around it. Okay, so we have that. Now I'm going to do the other chain that's going to dangle from it. So I made one of the dangles already just to kind of show you. I took a 1-inch eye pin and then I attached this, then I attached the little seashell on there. So I'm going to do this next one really quick before I do anything else. And I'm using the 6mm glass window beads, coral orange. I'm using these awesome little spacers by Cone Beads. So I'm doing that. That way it's got the same patina on it. So let me see here. So it's just like that. I'm going to, and it doesn't really matter because they kind of go from all ways to me, which is which when it comes to where the holes face. So I'm opening this up. I'm putting this little shell on. And what's great is the shell is on both sides. So it's not just one-sided. Okay, so now we have that. Now I'm going to take this chain, and what I'm going to do, oh, I just got a little knot in it. Of course. Here it comes. Okay. I'm going to put these aside for 1 minute just to do a little measuring. And I'm going, I have those other 3 jump rings. I'm just going by, I'm eyeing this. So I'm going to take these 2 and I'm going to attach these onto the ends. So I'm going to take, let me see, here's this one. I'm going to take, this is just, I just think this is so cute. So I got that one right there. And then, this is the way it opens. And then I got this one right here. And once again, let me open this a little more. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now we have this. And I want to just kind of eye it how I want them to lay. So I think this is a good length right here of how they would lay, you know, dangling in front. So now I'm going to pick this up like this so that I know it's that. And I'm going to go all the way up to the top here. And I'm going to cut right there. And cut that one. To get this out. Okay. So now I have these. So now I'm going to lay that in there. And I'm going to attach this to these as well. So open this up again. And I want it to be on the outside, because it's going to be the outside chain. Let me see if, okay. So now we have that. And now we're gonna attach, let me see which one's which. Okay, we have that right there. And this might look a little confusing at first. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to, okay, lay this down flat so I can show you guys. Okay, so I have that side. Here is the lobster. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna open this up, and this is coming from the outside here. So I'm gonna find the opening right here, and I'm going to attach that like this. Okay, so this is all, so I'm gonna pull this up just so you can see. Might be a little out of focus, but okay, so I have this and I have this. So let me see here. I don't know how I'm gonna get this in focus here to do this. Okay. Okay, so here we have this. So now, some of this stuff. So now I'm going to bring this up here. It's all taut, and I'm going to kind of eye this, and I'm just going to kind of bring it down here. So let me bring this up. I'm just going to kind of bring this about like right there. So it's probably got, I'm gonna measure this though, but I'm gonna have to probably do this off camera. So it's probably about 3 inches, 4 inches. I'm gonna lay it around my neck piece in order to measure this, because you want to make sure, or you can just hold it up. I know I'm not here in focus right now, but I'm thinking about right here right now. So I held it up with the lobster clasp, and this is where I'm at right here. Those two pieces. So I'm going to take, just going to take this, so it'll be about like that. I could do it a little more, but I'm actually liking, I'm kind of touching each other like that. So now I'm going to take this jump ring, open that up, and I did make sure that all of the chains were going the right way too as well. So then I went through and I did this. Now, one thing you could do with this is you could so I have it attached like that, and I could do one more dangle right there if you wanted to, but I'm going to keep it kind of just kind of simple, because this is such a, you know, extravagant pendant that you know, you want that little bit of dangle, but you don't want a ton of stuff on it. So it's just kind of like, this is the focal piece, and you don't really want anything taking away from this. So you have these nice little dangles right here. And I will put this up on a bust, so you'll definitely see pictures of it. And I'm a very visual person, so as I'm doing this, I'm getting the eye for what I wanted. Now, if you wanted to, and you wanted to make this more dramatic, you could put some dangles on here, or on here, like I said, on this piece, or not. So, I hope you enjoyed this, and this would just be a fun piece, and you could layer like another necklace in here. You know, you could make like a beaded one from the same set and add it in there, which I could have done, but I like just the simpleness of this. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like I said, I have a coupon for Bargain Bead Box BNJ2 for $2 off your first box with them. So, and all of my descriptions are below to my Etsy, Instagram, Pinterest, and my Facebook pages. And thank you everybody for watching and staying tuned. I'm sorry. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and stay tuned for the next one. And I hope you enjoyed this and you have a great day.